Dear students, this is the sixth practice paper based on the mixed up questions, that is revision mixed up questions for physics for class 9th. And in these questions I have given total 5 questions. All are numericals, belong to all the chapters from the taught portions. The first question is, a luggage of mass 200 kg is placed on the roof of a bus of mass 4800 kg. If the engine of the bus applies a force of 500 Newton, calculate the acceleration of the bus. Means a luggage whose mass is 200 kilogram has been placed over the roof of a bus whose mass is 4800 kg. 4800 kg is the mass of bus and 200 kg is the mass of the luggage placed on the roof of the bus. And the force applied by the engine of the bus is given 500 Newton. So force is given 500 Newton. You have to calculate acceleration of the bus. Question number 2. Usha swims in a 90-meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other and back along the same straight path. Find the average speed and average velocity of Usha. Usha is a girl who swims in a long pool. The length of the pool is 90 meter. She takes 1 minute if she covers 180 meter by swimming from one end to other and back along the same straight path. In going forward direction she covers 90 meter and in return she also covers 90 meter. The time taken in whole journey is 1 minute. You have to find out the average speed and average velocity. Average speed you know, total distance by total time, and average velocity is total displacement by total time. So in this case, distance and displacement are the very important factors. Question number 3. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour. Means this 80 km per hour is the initial velocity, that is denoted by u, and 60 km per hour is final, that is denoted by v. Time is given 5 seconds. You have to find out the acceleration of the bus. Question number 4. A girl of mass 40 kg jumps with 5 meter per second onto a stationary cart. The mass of cart is 3 kg. What is her velocity as the cart starts moving? A cart with wheels has been there. The girl jumps with velocity of 5 meter per second onto the stationary cart, means the cart is at rest. The mass of the cart is also given. Mass of the girl is also given. Now what is her velocity as the cart starts moving? So when the girl will jump on the stationary cart will move. You have to find out the velocity with which the cart starts moving. By applying the concept of law of conservation of momentum, you can easily solve question number 4. Question number 5. A hammer of mass 50 gram moving at 50 meter per second strikes a nail. The nail stops the hammer in a very short time of 0.01 second. What is the force of the nail on the hammer? Hammer is applying some force on the nail. The mass of hammer is given and the hammer is moving with 50 meter per second. It is striking the nail with 50 meter per second. The nail stops the hammer in a very short time of 0.01 second. Mean the displacement in this case is not given. Time is given 0.01 second. Time is given, mass is given, and velocity is given. Now the question is asking, what is the force of the nail on the hammer? That is, you have to calculate F. Force applied by the nail on the hammer. So when the hammer strikes the nail, then in a very short time of 0.01 second, the hammer stops. Means the nail has also applied some force that you have to calculate. Very easy and interesting and conceptual question is this. Thank you and best of luck for this practice paper.